Paintless Dent Repair, PDR is a modern, cost-effective, and eco-friendly method for fixing minor vehicle dents and dings without the need for repainting or fillers. Unlike traditional repairs, PDR uses tools to fix dents from behind the panel, keeping the original paint intact. PDR is ideal for minor dents where the paint is intact and is growing in popularity for its many benefits. Affordability: PDR is less expensive than traditional repairs, making it appealing to both consumers and insurance providers. Speed: many PDR jobs can be completed within hours, with mobile services adding extra convenience. Preserve resale value: by maintaining the factory paint, PDR helps retain a car's market value. Environmentally friendly: PDR produces no waste or harmful emissions, making it a sustainable choice. Insurance and leasing benefits: PDR helps avoid penalties for cosmetic damage in lease returns and reduces claims costs for insurers. Industries such as auto dealerships, rental companies, fleet services, and auction houses rely heavily on PDR to keep vehicles visually appealing. Tech advances like LED lights and digital tools have made PDR more precise and effective for complex dents. The success of PDR depends on skilled technicians, whose training and expertise are crucial for optimal results. As demand grows, PDR is becoming the standard for efficient, high-quality vehicle restoration. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374, that's 832-275-4374, or send email at kevin@dentwerx paintlessdentrepair.com.